Hi dearest, have you ever tried to package your client's order and the nylon you have can't fit? Let me show you what to do. Okay, so I want to package this hat and see this transparent nylon is too small for it, so I get two of its kind and I place them side by side, ensuring that the part to open are on the same side. You see? Okay, so you have all those sealed parts facing the same direction. So what I do is I take the sides that were facing each other and I'm going to open it up. So I'm opening up one side of one of the nylons, then I will take the other side, same part, and I'm going to open that side. You can see I turned it over to that same particular location. So I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to open it all up. Now this, if you cannot find the last size to use, if you can find, then you get that, but I couldn't find in this instance. So now can you see I'm opening it up like so, and I'm placing the other part inside. So now I'm going to take what I want to package and test it to see if I need to make it slimmer or make it wider. And this, I need to make it slimmer. That's the width. Note that also the part to open, they're all in the same place. Okay, let's proceed. All right, so I'm going to use my sellotape now and seal the part that I've moved on top of the other side. Now what I wanted to say then was the sealed part, the part that had the seal should all face the same direction. That's what you do. So they're all in the same direction. You're just joining them to form one piece. Okay, so I've sellotaped this side, so I'm going to turn it to the other side, and that other part that flaps on the other side, I would also use my sellotape to seal that up as well. Now of course you would know that inside too, the part that's inside might want to come out, so you take a little piece of sellotape and hold that down also inside. Alright, like so. Then you take another one also and hold the other part too that flaps inside. So it has formed one big nylon. So I can take my hat now and place it comfortably inside. So remember, it has a seal that you have to take off to glue. So I'm taking that off now. So it comes out. You take one side off and do the same to the other side. Okay, then now you can place your hat. Because of the feathers, I need to turn it that way. Then you can seal it up. Then you get your tag also and place it inside, and your package is ready to move. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more hacks in your millinery or craft journey, click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Check out this next hack.